How to upload music to SoundCloud. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you how to upload music to SoundCloud. In order to upload music to SoundCloud, you'll have to first of all log in into your SoundCloud account. Make sure that the application is completely up to date. After you are logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. In order to upload a sound, tap the upward arrow icon from the top right hand side corner. From here, you'll need to go ahead and tap the upward arrow icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. So while you're on this page, all you have to do is just tap the upload icon located right over here, and after you've done that, you'll have to select the file from your folder. And once the file is selected, you'll have to give a title, you'll have to pick a genre and describe your track, as well as add a caption to your post. And in order to make it public, you'll have to toggle the button and click the save button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully uploaded music to SoundCloud. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.